Yes, my people, big up on yourself. We don't know what's the newlink there from newlink production people, and today don't know what's up on a mission people. You understand? Cause don't know what's the newlink is a youth always trying to talk about crimes and everything. Well, newlink today I'm a victim of a crime people because somebody I stole my wife phone. So right now I'm on the road and I'm tracking them on my computer and everything because them know what's the newlink is a computer editor people. You understand? So I'm tracking them and everything. And me a search and I can find the real person who take my wife phone. Well people, I'm on a good mission. Well, but honestly people, I'm not really that newlink come to talk about today. You understand? But I just keep on update, make you know what go on newlink life. You don't know newlink doing thing. Well, my viewers and my subscribers, just right about now people, I'm going to tell them the honest truth. The honest truth. Because a police officer who is just 25 years old, right, has committed suicide people. And it's surprising to many people. They must say, yo, what could have caused this youth? He commit suicide and him kill that woman at the same time and he do it at the police station in Islington, in St. Mary. Well, people, to be honest, this youth you know, he don't have a woman problem. Me be honest. I don't know about the other side if you have a man problem, but he don't have a woman problem on a real level. See? This youth you know. Boy, people, me be honest to you, I can't believe. Me just can't believe. And I can't believe people. See? It is said that this lady, she's 62 years old, so she went to the station to look for an inmate there, people. And the man the youth was outside talking or something until police them with a shot fire. See, when they come there, see the woman on the ground suffering with gunshot. Couple seconds after she dead, see, while the youth him shot himself, but him dead at the hospital. So him shot himself really to kill himself, you know. Then that child for live boy dead. Well, people, I'm gonna be honest to you. You see, the reason behind this, you know, people, you get me? I say, it just come like the full devil take over this youth soul. Because honestly, I can't believe that a young man was go to college because he's a student of the Money College, right? He is a high school graduate. He's a well-behaved man in the police force. You understand? Man who well-being known, people respect, people love. You understand? Because the community was originally from that sun side in Port Maria. Everybody love the youth. See? And they can't believe people in shock right now. Because even though him kill himself, people are telling him, say them sorry, them miss him, and them can't believe. But that him kill himself, it's nobody kill him. The viewers and my subscribers, the devil has fully taken control over a young man, young woman to nowadays. And you get me, I say, it's like, I don't know what to say, people, because yo, when we look on the whole thing, you know, people, all I can do is just picture this and say, yo, John was star. You know what I mean? I can't even give this young man attacking up people. But I'm saying, to be honest, a 62-year-old lady, right? She's 62. And the man killed the woman. See? The woman is a woman who traveled to the people. And but when newlink I put push to shovel now, and I come to find out something now, people. I'm getting to find out that some daughtering thing and mothering thing are go on. You understand? So some look mix up something are go on. Well, to be honest, people, why? You see this world and now we're living in today, people. We have to just be careful of our brothers and of our sisters, each and everybody. Because mankind nowadays, remember I do the vlog and say, yo, bloody Christmas, and I see even some people commenting on the vlog and I come, oh, you will get this and that. Listen, man, I gotta start black on her like I used to black on her before, you know. Because I come like, you know, I say Jamaica be a better place, you know. You know, and you will tell lie, I say Jamaica this and it are good when things are going bad. Eh? Look at that. 62-year-old woman get killed by a police officer and the police kill himself. And I go talk about things are going good, let me get angry upon you now. This a phone time now, see me attack launcher now. Eh? When I come talk about newlink this and that, this and that, y'all come about, yo, I'm telling you, you see most of you then comment on a woman, you know. Eh? On a heartless woman. That's why some of you ladies are being victim of some cruel thing that been happening because we don't back too much shaggy and foolishness. When you stand up for the right thing and talk truth, you know, back foolishness. Yeah? I'm a Jamaican citizen. Yeah? And I want to see my country better. You think I want to see worse of my country? Yeah? Honestly, I think I want to see worse of my country, man. More everybody live in Jamaica and live up here free. You understand? People can come and go and live good and alright. We don't have to worry about nothing. Right now, I don't mix yourself on the wrongs and I do the wrong doing. Things are good for you. So now I'm going to say good when you're not good. Yo, listen me, man. Listen me. So my viewers and my subscribers, I know what can say now. We've got to really follow up that story to the fullest and the fullest way. And as soon as I follow it up more and more, I will keep you in touch. You don't know this is Newlink. From Newlink Production, we have a special big up people. Enough love, enough respect. I'm out. Big up.